to my new episode about Thailand. My name is Nathalie and we're in Koh Kret Island in the heart center of Bangkok. The easiest option is taking a taxi from Bangkok to Koh Kret and stopping at Wat Sanam Nuea Temple. From the temple, a ferry brings you across the river to Koh Kret in 5 minutes for 2 baht. And you're in the middle of nature. Even with a very close proximity to Bangkok, when you step your feet on Koh Kret's land, you will find yourself in a completely different world. Like Bangkok that I talk about in my videos, if you haven't checked those videos yet, click these links above and we go exploring Koh Kret by bike. At Koh Kret's pier, you can hire a motorbike for 50 baht per hour. But personally, I love cycling and exploring on my own. Therefore, I rented a bicycle for 40 baht per day. People here are super friendly and really want to talk with you, asking where you're from and how much you love Thailand. I found it really enjoyable strolling along narrow asphalt paths, gazing at local houses and their friendly inhabitants. Koh Kret Island serves as a refuge to the Mon Hill tribes who dominated central Thailand between the 6th and the 10th centuries, who came down from Burma and emigrated to live at Koh Kret Island during the reign of King Taksin after the sacking of Ayutthaya. Therefore, today, here you will find their Burmese influence in food, clothes, houses, and temples with their vision of Buddhism. Maybe you were just wondering why I filmed this strange looking thing. For those who don't know what is this, it's a banana flower. Beautiful banana flower you can find everywhere in Thailand, especially in those jungle and forested areas. And from this flower, then you can get some nice bananas. Besides banana trees, you will find many coconut trees and those who like to mingle around them. Later in this video, you will see wild animals and birds which I had a chance to capture in my camera in Koh Kret. So, what is Koh Kret? It is like Bangkok, another Bangkok's green gateway to nature. Koh Kret is an artificial island in Chao Phraya River, which is located 20 kilometers north of Bangkok. Koh Kret was created in 1722 as a result of digging a canal between two curves of Chao Phraya River nearly 300 years ago. As the canal was widened several times, the section cut off eventually became a separate island. Today, Koh Kret is known for its rural atmosphere, its distinctive pottery, and its busy weekend market. Guys, so beautiful. I'm enjoying here so much. I really love it here. It's Koh Kret Island in the heart of Bangkok. The real fun of Koh Kret is driving through the tiny pathways and enjoying the soothing rural views and nature around. As Koh Kret is a bit out of the way, there are not many foreign tourists, but lots of locals, so you can get a good glimpse of how Thai and Mon people live here. Sometimes it feels like in a movie. City life and you really want to go to nature, this is a perfect escape for you guys. Just 1 hour and you're here in the heart of nature, and then bird sounds, beautiful trees and flowers. It's like Bangkok but better even. I couldn't pass by without filming all these beautiful flowers everywhere. And now I will show you 6 bird species that I found here. As you have already known from my videos, I am an amateur bird watcher and I like observing birds with my camera. This bird is Indo-Chinese rolla. He's so beautiful. It can be easily spotted thanks to its gorgeous blue plumage. It is a brightly colored bird with various shades of blue on the wings, a tail, and a belly that are often prominent in flight. It prefers to live in open areas, including agricultural landscapes, sitting on exposed perches, including electric wires, occasionally pumping its tail slowly. That's why it's quite easy to spot him. Indo-Chinese rolla is distributed across Asia, from eastern India into Southeast Asia. It is a stocky bird. Indo-Chinese rolla is generally silent, but becomes more vocal in a breeding season with harsh calls. Yeah, his voice isn't very cute. I have seen this species many times in many national parks in Thailand. Very picturesque. Look at all this nature. Listen to all these sounds of birds tweeting around me. arrived to nice Rosy Studio Homestay Cafe. I really recommend for you guys because here you can find very nice, delicious cupcakes, cakes, coffees, as well as Thai food with live music, great ambience near the riverside. That's a great place for you to come. Rosy Studio Homestay. If you are here in Koh Kret, definitely go to try here.
From the entrance to the territory where I left my bike, I walked inside the cafe. Inside is quite spacious and designed in a rustic farmhouse style. You should definitely try their cakes. I took banana banoffee and black forest cakes. They were just yummy. I can compare this cafe with Bangkok Chao's Treehouse restaurant. You can watch my episode about it in the link above. It also has great ambience, good food, beautiful river views. This cafe in Koh Kret is called
Mili, a coffee house. There you can find many places to take beautiful photos, definitely for the girls.
There is already one photo spot in the entrance. This place is great for stopping by and having a cold drink.
And in general, very nice ambience here near the riverbank to recreate and rest from the bustle of Bangkok. Beautiful, nice cafe. I recommend here in Koh Kret.
Sadly, it's time to go back home. But if you're looking for a day trip from Bangkok and time to enjoy some peace, relaxation, and the local culture on the island, Koh Kret makes an excellent day trip for you. If you're enjoying the same as me right now, and if you love this video, make sure to put me a thumb up, subscribe to my channel, and share it with all your friends. I'm sure they will love it. And I see you in the next episode. Bye!